So, okay, next tutorial. Today's makeup is meant to be a demon bunny? I'm not overly sure. I had so much fun doing it, but I really don't know. I think it's a bunny. It's either that or it's a mad scientist masquerading as a bunny. Either way, I know it's like Easter week, so I wanted to do something bunny related. I've never done a cute bunny makeup before, so I thought I might give it a try. This is what I come up with. I can never just do something cute. The ears are pretty cute though. Boing, boing. It's so silly. So if you'd like to learn how to recreate this bunny craziness, stay tuned. Okie dokie bunny pokey. So the first step for this makeup is going to be to block out both our eyebrows. So I'll pop a link on the screen up there as always. That will take you to one of the videos that I did in the past to teach you how to block them out so I don't have to do it in this video to make things go that much quicker. So I'm going to go get rid of my eyebrows and we shall go from there. Okie dokie, then next we can take a black makeup pencil. Doesn't particularly matter which brand it is. I like using a Kryolan face liner pencils just because they're really easy to wipe away if you make a mistake. And I'm going to use my makeup pencil to trace on the shape that I want for the mouth. Spoiler alert, it's going to be massive. Okay, so when you're done, it should look something like this. So I've gone in slightly, just on the edges here, just to give the mouth a more interesting shape. I'm then going to take the same makeup pencil and start drawing on the teeth. So I'm going to go for two very long, straight teeth right in the middle, of course, bunny-like. And un-bunny-like, but more demon-like, I'm going to do some fangs going up and down, really jagged, all along the top and bottom set of the mouth. Gotta have fun with it. So as you can see, I've got my fangs curling in towards the middle of the mouth and the two straight teeth in the middle. So then I can take a Superstar white face paint. This one is in line white, and I'm going to use that to colour in all the teeth. I'm then going to take another face paint. This one's in black, also by Superstar, and I'm going to colour in between the teeth and help define them. Okie dokie, so when you're done, it'll look something like this. It's kind of Spider Bunny. So then we can take the same white face paint before and paint our neck, our face and our ears. Okay, and as you can see, I've left my eyes completely clear of the face paint just because I'm going to be painting my eyelids later on. So now, just to add a bit of depth to the mouth, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. This one is by Sugarpill. And I'm going to apply that with a medium fluffy brush to the edges of the fake mouth, brushing it towards the middle of the teeth, going over maybe one and a half of the fake sharp teeth, just to make it appear as if these teeth are really set far back. Then, using the same black eyeshadow from before, I can apply that to the top half of the new fake mouth and then blend that towards the eyes. The idea is we want to make the cheeks look as round as possible. We're also going to join that to the sides of the nose going straight down so we can give this kind of bunny nose effect. Then I'm going to take a black cream. This one is by Makeup Forever as part of their Flash palette, but I'm only going to use the black. And I'm going to apply that with a really sharp angle brush around the tips of the mouth. So I'm going to go in half moon shapes going up once or twice, and then I can blend the underside away, just so it looks like the mouth is being pulled up a little bit. And whilst I'm in this area, I'm just going to extend the line going down and following the mouth shape and across. I can then blend this line away and repeat it on the other side. So just make sure that the deepest part of the folds and wrinkles are going to be the hollow points of the cheeks, so you want them to be the darkest points, and then just blend it away. Okie dokie, nice and smiley. Then next we can start working on the eye shape. So I'm going to take my angle brush and the black watercolour from before, and I'm going to roughly trace on the shape that I want for the eyes. So I'm going to go for something very menacing, very evil, kind of swoop down and up. They're going to kind of look like eyebrows to start off with, but we'll blend them out afterwards. So when we've got that shape drawn in, we can now take the black watercolour and blend it all the way down. So we're going to go over our entire eyelids and underneath our eyes as well. I'm going to just join this shape up. So they're not really eyebrows, but they kind of are, because eventually I'm going to blend this colour out except for the top, just to keep this kind of stern, angry expression. Okay, so it doesn't need to be neat at all, we just need that rough shape mapped out, and also I kind of just realised how much this looks like Bunny Frankenfurter. Now I need to add that to my list of makeups to do in the future. Yes! And now we can do the super fun part, which is take some more of the Black Makeup Forever cream and apply that to the edges of the eye shape and then blend it away as much as possible. But as I mentioned before, I want to leave the top side relatively blend free. Then keeping with the black cream, I'm going to do some furrow lines going towards the middle of the brow and then some forehead wrinkles. There's not really much to this, it's just a case of drawing the lines and then tapering them out. And I'm just blending these top lines away, just like I did on the grin lines on the side of the mouth. Kind of like a bunny Nike tick. And as an optional step, you can add a tiny bit of the white watercolour just in between the ridges that we've made in the middle of the nose. You can also go and add some white in between the brow furrows. Then next, I'm going to take my same makeup pencil from the first step and I'm going to draw on a cute little bunny nose. I say cute, everything's relative at this point though. And to colour our new little bunny nose in, I'm going to use another Superstar face paint. This one is in Bubblegum and it's in complete contrast to the look and I love it. So for the next step, I was going to add on some whiskers out of like fishing wire, but I don't think the makeup needs it. So in lieu of that, I'm just going to take some black watercolour and apply some dots all around my cheeks, just to kind of act as whisker follicles. That's a fun thing to say. Whisker follicles. Okie dokie, so it kind of adds an element of innocence to the look, which we're going to promptly destroy now by doing another optional step, which is going to be apply some fake blood all over the face. Yay! It wouldn't be one of my videos if it didn't have some blood in there somewhere. I say blood, I'm not actually going to be using fake blood this time. I'm going to be using 99% alcohol. Again, completely optional, but I think this will stay on a lot longer. Plus the splatter effect will be a lot more natural. But if you did want to do this step with fake blood, just dilute the blood down with a tiny bit of water and use a spackle brush or a paintbrush just to flick it across the face. But as I said, for myself, I'm going to be using an alcohol activated palette. This one is by Illustrator in Mardi Gras, and I'm going to be using, of course, the dark red. So I'm just going to spray some 99% alcohol in there, get a spackle brush, and then flick it going across my face. So when you're done, it'll look something like this. Super bloody happy bunny. Just need that element of gore. So then, all that's left for me to do is pop in some contact lenses, pop on a costume, sort out my hair, and we'll see what everything looks like. And there we go. That's my look. Officially complete. So I finished the look off by popping in two Scalera contact lenses, one that's completely black and the other one that's white with a black ring around the edge. I just thought it'd help to add an element of eccentricity and craziness. The costume that I popped on, I've actually had for a little while now. It's this mad scientist costume that I do believe I got from eBay. And I popped on some black leather gloves and some kind of steampunk-esque goggles, just because I think it really completes the look. I did also straighten and backcomb my hair to make it look as mad as possible. And I finished off the look by popping in two bunny ears. I mean, because I'm meant to be a bunny, so yeah. I might just wear these forever now. I actually got these ears off of eBay as well. They're just regular bunny ears on an Alice band. I sprayed them with a little bit of black hairspray just to make them look a little bit more dirty. I did actually make some fake bunny ears myself, but I found them to be a little bit big. I just made these quickly out of pipe cleaner, some fake white fur, painted the middle with some pink face paint, and yeah, might save those for another day. Demon Bunny Mark II. But yeah, so that's my makeup tutorial. I really hope you all enjoyed it. You all know by now I have so much fun when I do these makeups and make them up as I go along. They always end up a little bit insane looking, but a lot of fun. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, Fluffies. If you did like it, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, so until next time, bye Fluffies!